Maybe she got some friends. What's her name? What's her name? I don't know her name.
You've got a little bit of reconstruction there, so your hair needs a little bit of building up from the inside. So you've got a reconstructing in there, all moisture and a little bit of fibre. Fibre helps there with your hair. So the cut that we did is going to help, but there's still ends on there that need to be a bit more pliable. So the fibre is going to give it that stretch. So when you brush it and things, it doesn't just break off. There's a little bit of durability there to keep it holding on until your next cut. Moisture because it needs it, and then the reconstructor. Don't want to use protein because you have actually got a nice balance. The only problem area, if any, is just the ends which need to get cut off, but we don't want to do it all in one go. All right.
Yeah. So what products are actually in that?
So we've got L'Oreal, we've got Olaplex, we have Keracare, and we have what's that?
Okay.
One of my favourite products, basically. They're all professional range, but tried and tested. They're good for the hair.
Okay, so I've got the treatment in now. We'll just get my skin. And this is the current state of my hair. It's just been, we just washed out the treatment. So yeah. Okay, so these are the products that we're using today. L'Oreal Pro Longer, Keracare, and Olaplex number 6 and 7. So silky.
Alright?
Yeah. I love it, thank you. So this is it. In Brixton. Right, I'm just on the escalator now. The wind tried to wreck my silk press in like 10 seconds. But otherwise, I think I'm probably just gonna go up London. I need to do some shopping, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm very obsessed with it, but yeah. Other things that I need to do, I need to go find an outfit for Dave's concert. So I think I'm gonna go up Oxford Street now, as I'm already here. I got the Starbucks quickly. Just walking into Selfridges now. Yes, but I don't think it's only gonna go. Okay, so I'm currently in this store called Reserve. I'm looking at it for a sec. But I'm just gonna try some clothes on because I found some stuff, so there's a bit to go. Okay, so this is the first bit. I like it. Okay, so I also got a bunch of jeans, but I don't really know. I like these. They're cute, but I'm using them out. Okay, so this is the next pair. They're kind of just Okay, so this is the last pair of jeans I got, but I'm so annoyed because I like them the most. Look at the back. Oh wait, hold on. Stop. This is a 12. If I wear them as like a low rise, then it looks quite cute. I've just deeped that the music is so loud and you can't even really hear, so I'll add captions. Okay, this is back what I was wearing before. Okay, so we're leaving now. I'm just gonna get these two, the top and the last pair of jeans. I'm gonna wear them as low rise. Okay, so I don't know what is going on over there, but there's like a huge queue and I have no clue why. Let me not just film like a bunch of strangers, but yeah, I just bought some stuff from Reserved. I don't understand what this queue is for. Like, I also jammed because I need to go buy some Olaplex, but I don't think it's going to be in Boots, and I think I just walked past Boots, so we're going to go back to Selfridges and pick up some Olaplex. Yeah, I did end up buying the skirt to the top because I don't know, I was like, I'm going on holiday. Like, I've actually booked my holiday now, so the holiday shopping starts from way before. So that was the idea behind that. I went to go try find these thermal cargos in Uniqlo, but they didn't have them. So I was like, that's great. But yeah, so just gonna go back into Selfridges quickly. They should have Olaplex. If Selfridges doesn't have Olaplex, then I don't know. Like, I've literally been featured on Olaplex's Instagram. Like, in what world is that normal? Oh my god, no wait. I wanna see if there's any Swarovski earrings. I have no self-control. Yeah, so I generally have no self-control. I literally just saw Swarovski and I was like, let's check if they have any stud earrings. These are so cute. I'm thinking of getting those hoops there. But also just some of the studs as well. These are the earrings that I'm getting because my second piercing fell out. Like, I had hoop earrings and they fell out. So I'm just getting these ones because I thought they're so cute and they're quite blingy, which is nice. But hopefully these ones don't fall out. But this is just what it will look like, and I'm gonna put them on later. So. Okay, so I was not expecting to go and buy those Swarovski earrings, but I got them. Literally just going back to Selfridges to get the, what do you call it, Olaplex, and then I'm going home because my phone's about to die. So yeah, so I just found the Philip Kingsley stuff. I really want to try the elasticizer. But I picked up the Olaplex bonding oil. £26 for this tiny thing, but life. Okay, so I got the Olaplex. Yeah, I tried on some sunglasses for the band, but I actually quite like some of them. But I need my mum to approve because I've been interrupted by Mikel Tata. One sec. Of course. Hello, we win. I was just watching the Arsenal match with my mum. Granny, you don't like it?
Everybody had a little so.
My granny said no. No. She said no. She said she said no.
You like it, mommy?
Why you do that to your hair?
But I find your hair natural was nice. What you
it's still there.
So why you want to do that and you have all the products? This way you have all them products.
But this is a temporary thing.
It's like 2 weeks, bro.
It will, if it get wet, now it curls up straight. It's not straight. She ain't straight.
I didn't perm it.
It's not a perm.
It's not a perm.
She just put the press it. She just press it.
Oh, you just press it like what you just do?
Yes, you told it was straight. No, mommy,
I thought you went and put all them relaxed
Granny, you
in
think-
your hair.
No.
Oh, no.
Oh, you press it like what I just do? Okay.
I see.
I thought you want straight, not up and thing, it up and all that. You don't need that because it look nice so.
Yeah,
When you get it, you know, after a time when you do too much of that with your hair.
Yeah, it will
especially
break
when
off,
you
it'll
want
get damaged.
to play thing in a bowl. I got 30 years curler.
Yeah, I was about to say, you straighten your hair.
Got to wash them.
Yeah! Yes!
Them clothes to wash.
Say hi to my vlog.
96 minutes.
What you was singing at just now, Ariana?
Huh?
Carl, what were you singing at? What were you
Arsenal.
Arsenal won.
2
You
goals.
should have come and watched it with us.
Was she back?
We scored in the
Sorry,
95th
just a
minute.
second,
We were
mate.
losing. We were 1-0 down. And then we scored
The first
one.
goal was a mistake. The Gabriel back pass.
Okay, yes. And then the second goal was ours.
And then Pepe did a really good goal.
And then we scored in the 95th minute.
How do you manage?
Lacazette. Chipped it in and then goalie. It was an own goal, but it was good.
Who was
It was
out?
Lacazette.
It was
It's
an own
Lacazette
goal,
kicked it in, but the goalie
kick it.
touched it and it went in. It should have been like a Lacazette goal.
I can't believe you thought I relaxed it.
Like what that is what is in here, flesh.
No, she just pressed it.
No.
Flat iron. The flat iron.
And if she get
She
wet,
only went through it once.
But I don't like them big eyelashes.
this one, the other one she had was bigger than that.
When you put on just a little tiny
Unless a
thing.
little bit.
Yeah.
Sorry.
I do where you want your mother to buy.
No, I'm just saying, like, it's not that deep.
Yes, it is.
It is deep.
It is.
It is deep.
It is. You don't go and put me on no TikTok thing.
I won't. You're def going on TikTok one day with me, though. You def are. Can't lie, we're doing some kind of TikTok. You are pure comedy, my friend.
You turn off. You turn off. She unplug the light. She unplug the light.
When and take off them big things, then
You don't like my lashes?
You mean?
Okay, everyone's talking over me now, so.
Her name.